and namaste. I'm Xude with Xude Yoga, and today we're going to be doing a gentle flow for when you are triggered. So anything and everything can be a trigger. Any senses that are activated, a smell can trigger you, a taste, something somebody says can trigger you. So I wanted to create this flow when you are in that moment where you're able to do these exercises and incorporate them into your practice and into your daily practice. So let us know how this has helped you, and let's get into this practice. Let's begin in a comfortable seat of your choice. So you can sit on the heels, you can come into a cross leg, or any alternative that you have. Once you're here, tuning into the body, allowing the hips to sink towards the earth, feeling yourself root, gently relaxing the shoulders, taking deep intentional breaths in the nose and out of the nose or mouth. As you inhale, the belly expands outward. As you exhale, the navel moves towards the spine. Allowing the body to relax. Bringing ease to the mind, ease to the spirit. Being present with each inhale and being present with each exhale. Noticing what shows up during this presence. Maybe keeping the eyes closed, bringing the gaze in between the eyebrows, loosening the jaw and the tongue. Taking the chin and the top of the head and rotating, creating a circle with the crown. Keeping the shoulders as still as possible. Breathing through the neck, breathing through the throat space. And reverse. All right, we're gonna reverse again, but we're gonna incorporate the shoulders while pulling on the knees, sending the chest back. As you inhale and as you exhale, tucking everything forward. Being gentle with the spine and being gentle with your breath as you move throughout the body. In reverse. One deep inhale. And exhale, release, folding over the knees. And you can rest on the top of the hands. Just be here. As you exhale, allowing yourself to let go. And as you inhale, taking in newness, taking in new life. Tucking the chin into the chest, rolling the body up, sending the arms over the head. You can spread out the fingertips, or you can just rest right here. You also have the option of bringing the palms together and interlacing the fingers, or Even just kind of pressing the hands upward as if you're stretching in the morning. If you're really needing to release and breathe through the center of the stomach. One deep inhale. Exhale, bringing the top of the hands to the side of the body slowly. Maybe tucking the chin into the chest. You can move the shoulders and the neck however you would like. Reverse. The chin into the chest. Inhale, rolling back up, sending the arms over the head. We're going to interlace the fingers this time. While here, maybe gently and slowly rocking from left to right. Reaching and stretching, keeping the root as still as possible. Stretching out the side of the body. Now bringing the palms and the hands bringing the hands to the right. Breathing through the left side of the body, from the root all the way into the fingertips. Inhale, coming up. And exhale to the left, breathing into the right side of the body. Inhale, coming back. And exhale, lowering the arms. Maybe rotating the shoulders. Okay. We're going to tap into a couple breathing techniques. Doing this to help regulate the nervous system whenever you feel triggered. So this one is alternate breathing. So you're going to take the thumb and the ring finger, placing the thumb on the right side of the nose, or depending on what side you're using, but the thumb and the index finger. And as you inhale, you're going to inhale through the right nostril, plugging the right nostril and exhaling out of the left. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Slowing down the breath. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale on the left. Doing this for as long as you would like. And exhale, release. Taking a couple breaths, breathing through the center of the stomach. Exhaling out of the mouth. Okay, so we're going to do some fire breathing. Breathing through the center of the stomach again. Opening the throat space. One deep inhale. Exhale. One deep inhale. Let's begin. Deep inhale through the nose. Exhale. Sending the shoulders, the tongue, the jaw. So you can take the next 5 to 10 minutes to flow however you would like. I'm gonna leave a suggested video above. Thank you so much for showing up and for being in this space. Now, when you're ready, let's get into a comfortable seat, or you can come into corpse pose, lying on your back. When here, tucking the hips forward, the shoulders on top of the hips, relaxing the spine, relaxing the jaw and the tongue as you find ease within the body. Taking this practice with you throughout the day. Anytime you feel triggered, coming back to these breathing exercises, coming back to movement, and coming back to deep breaths. Whenever you feel triggered, or whenever you feel triggered, coming back to this practice. Thank you so much for showing up and allowing me to guide you through this practice. And until next time, namaste.